point of view of the military and from the government side, we were doing a legitimate operation, an escort operation of a legitimate activity. We look into the situation very carefully, study it, make the proper investigation, following the procedures in the peace mechanisms that we have established already, so that we will prevent things like this from happening again. It's very important that this incident masettle natin kaagad. Again, within the bounds of law and within the agreed peace mechanisms. With the skills, the capabilities, the competencies of our ground commanders, we will be able to address this issue properly, very early on with our counterparts from the MILF. Malaki pa rin ho ang tiwala natin dun sa proseso at dun sa ating batas. Kaya pakiusap po namin sa ating mga kababayan is give peace a chance.